Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for our upcoming videos. Visa sponsorship jobs in Cosmos for foreigners 2023-2024. View skilled/unskilled vacant jobs positions here. Are you planning to relocate to Cosmos as a foreigner in search of work or a contract? And you don't have the funds or don't want to go through the process of getting your own visa? Are you seeking for a company that can provide visa sponsorship to foreigners? If acquiring a job in Cosmos is on your list of priorities during your job search, you're probably wondering how easy it will be. The point is that there are several aspects to consider while applying for a job in Cosmos as a foreigner with visa sponsorship. Here you will get to know the visa sponsorship jobs in Cosmos, where you can locate sponsorship in Cosmos, what it means when a company sponsors you to work, and a whole more in this video. Searching for Cosmos visa sponsorship jobs in 2024. Discovering visa sponsorship positions online, or even finding the specific job you're looking for, can be time-consuming and complicated. This could be due to a lack of knowledge about where to begin your search in the first place. You may also find such employment on a website, but they may not provide you with the type of opportunity you seek. These types of jobs are not advertised on every website. Furthermore, some websites promise to do so while really posting visa sponsorship employment. So, if you desire actual opportunities, this post will be useful. Visa sponsorship jobs. Visa sponsorship jobs provide the benefit of covering your visa and relocation expenses. It signifies that the organization hiring you will make arrangements for your arrival to begin work. They will submit your paperwork to the immigration authorities in order to obtain a work visa for you. The work permit permits you to legally work in the country. The period, however, varies based on the visa sponsorship you receive. Its validity period might range from 10 years to 2 years. However, you will be able to renew your visa while remaining working there. Furthermore, for some people, you can apply for a green card while working. The green card grants you the status of permanent residence. Visa sponsorship jobs in Cosmos 2024. The following are some of available visa sponsorship jobs in Cosmos in 2024. 1. Consultor de Inmigración. 2. Associate lawyer. 3. Senior project manager, software. 4. Business development specialist. 5. Software Android developer. 6. House cleaner. 7. Production operator. 8. Pharmacy clerk. 9. Operation administrator. 10. Resident services coordinator. 11. Senior backend developer. In Cosmos, where can I locate sponsorship? There are various ways to find sponsorship for a work visa. Searching for job postings with requirements for work visa sponsorship is one approach. Another option is to speak with nearby companies and request that they sponsor you for a work visa. You might also ask local immigration attorneys in your area for recommendations. It is crucial to realize that not all companies can or want to sponsor workers for work visas. Because of this, it's crucial to do your homework before applying for a job and make sure the position you're interested in fits the criteria for a work visa. If you are unable to find sponsorship for a work visa, a number of for-profit organizations offer assistance in obtaining work visas and support. What does it mean when a company sponsors you to work? It signifies that the company that hired you will make plans for your arrival and start date. They will submit your documents to the immigration authorities so that you can receive a work visa. The work permit allows you to work lawfully in the country. The length of time depends on the visa sponsorship you receive. You need to take your time when seeking the ideal job that would sponsor your visa. This enables you to weigh possibilities and choose wisely. Do extensive research before accepting any offers from any companies to avoid being taken advantage of. Make sure that all of the advantages they assert to offer are real. We're wishing you success. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.